This is Vemareddy, working as assistant professor in University of Astrophysics. I primarily work on coronal mass ejections and their source regions on the Sun. As you know, Aditya-L1, a spacecraft, is going to launch on this Saturday at 11:50 a.m. VLC is one of the major payload which was developed here in Institute of Astrophysics. On VLC payload, the imaging channel is one of the primary channel which gives the imaging observations of the white light of the Sun. The Sun often expels plasma and magnetic field quite often. These are called coronal mass ejections. When these coronal mass ejections launch from the Sun, they can travel all the way from Sun to the Earth, and they can cause the space weather impacts to our geomagnetic field. So what is important in VLC payload is that the imaging channel providing the white light observations are the key to study the origin of the CMEs at the source regions of the Sun. So especially the direction and the speed of the CMEs is quite important to a priori predict the arrival time of the CMEs to the Earth. VLC payload also contains two other modes of observations, especially spectroscopy as well as the spectropolarimetric observations. The spectroscopic observations of the Sun based on the spectra in the visible emission line, they provide the temperature and density diagnostics of the coronal plasma. So the Sun is always quite often is continuously expelling the plasma from the corona. So we can understand the thermal characteristics of the plasma when it come into the interplanetary medium, and also when it interacts with the Earth magnetosphere. Spectropolarimetric channel gives the Stokes vector observations of the Sun, which will enable the scientists to measure the coronal magnetic fields. What is important is that the IIA houses ground-based radio as well as optical telescopes. So the radio telescopes do catch the radio burst coming from the Sun when a CME launches. So and also the optical telescopes captures the erupting features like filaments and prominences. We can observe the radio as well as optical observations, and also in conjunction with the VLC observations from the space, the scientists at IIA are very keen to understand the deeper into the physics of the Sun's behavior, especially the space weather impact.